So basically, I have to deep dive, like a more deep dive into like this, like post message, right? So as you know, in previous reel, you have seen that I have created some code, right, and made my own JS code, right, and this one, right. So basically, what does this do is like, this send the username and role data here, and this captures the data, right. So this is the receiver, and this one, oh wait a second, and like this is the receiver, and this main.js is the sender, right. So it is sending my data, and like I have created a button, right. So basically I have created a button, and I have linked that button to like, with the class name something send button, and then I am sending a like on click, if the user clicks it, I have added a event listener, and if a user clicks it, it will send the data, and the receiver will be this, that is widget.js, and here the event will take all the data, like, event will handle the data, right. So the data is coming to here, and then the vulnerability is all over this in this part, right, inner.html. So if it's text area dot text area equals to whatever blah blah blah, so it will treat as text, right. So it will normally read as text, but if it's like inner HTML, so it will read it as a HTML code, right. So as I have done here inner HTML, so I'm not getting a pop-up now, I can't show that here, right. So it's blocking me on YouTube, but yeah. So this one I can send. If I click on this, wait a sec, if I click on this button, I can pretty sure that I can pop up a access here. So I'm currently learning, and working on this more, right. So I come to know that like, this is the main part, right. It looks like HTML, right. So what is inner HTML? It's like, reading the full source code on reading the code. So basically it's reading in notepad like that text, not like that. I am talking about like HTML, right. It reads like tags and all, right. So basically XSS is present there. We can like trick it into XSS. So about this iframe, so basically it does the work of like appearing another site's windows to our right. So it's a basic HTML, nothing more concept here. So this was the like hardest part